Dude, we got two homes to check out. This one and this one over here. Oh, dude. Is those blood or... Dude, we got two homes to check out. This one and this one over here.
I didn't even see that.
No, not me. That is so cool. This phone. Somebody graffiti it in here. Oh, dude. Is those blood or is that part of the chair? I think that is part of the chair. Dude, what the heck is going on over here? What is this? Somebody's bed? Man, this is cool. There's a ladder. This probably used to be a tree fort. Dude, somebody spent a lot of time building this up. This is freaking cool. Look at me going inside this abandoned building. Any spirits that wants to communicate. Almost stepped on it now. Oh, great. More squirrels, which means that's telling me something's nearby again. Look at this small handprint. Okay, let's go check this big house out. This is weird. Someone just lifted it out and that's thrown it. Huh. Good tires, I'm not gonna lie. Damn it. I'm hearing something walking over there. That stuff creeps me out. I'm gonna lie. There's another thing here that's made of pipe. What is this? Let me know in the comments down below. Beer cans everywhere. There's something like a swimming pool. Where is the house at? We're gonna be doing something cool. We got a mask on. We are ready to go into this bandit building. Ready to make this scene into something cool. Hit that like button, comment down below when you think Randonautica sent us to this area. So let's go on and investigate the house and see if it's haunted or not. So, we're going in. So yeah, wish us luck, guys. That's an active house. And that's stuck under a tree. Right there is some house. What the heck? And that's a woman. I'm gonna be kidding me. There's no way. They nailed it. Like, I'm not even lying to you guys. Like, I cannot open it. Oh, okay. There's gotta be another way in. There's gotta be another way in, guys. Nailed. They locked it. They locked this one. Left. Like, I wonder why they locked that place up.